So, you'd like to start streaming. Hey man, that's great. I've been streaming for years, and you know what? It's a great hobby to have, whether you eventually want to get paid for it or you just want to have fun playing games. I'm just going to show you today how do you get started, okay? You can either start with getting OBS or Streamlabs OBS. I recommend doing both. They're both really good. The only reason I like Streamlabs a little bit more is you can come over here, and then when you're in here, you can go and you can import these to your stream, and it's very easy. Otherwise, if you just use normal OBS, you have to create it and put it in there. And I mean, which is not a hard thing if you have Photoshop and all these other things. There's plenty and plenty of tutorials online to do that kind of stuff. But this makes it easy. And there are some free ones. If you see Prime here, then you have to pay for them. But that's besides the fact. Let's get back to actually how you start streaming. So let's say you downloaded OBS. You downloaded Streamlabs OBS. Besides the themes thing, they pretty much look exactly the same. Or pretty similar, I should say. We'll use this one for the moment. All of these are scenes. That's just the grouping of them. So let's just turn this to desktop, because I do have multiple stuff running. I can't just do gameplay. Actually, I can do gameplay. We'll just do gameplay. Whatever. So then with this, you could go and you could create a source. And I recommend just playing with anything. It has a bunch of stuff to use. This is one of the things that OBS does not have, that Streamlabs does, with all of these different widgets. The widgets are a part of it. It's a different thing when you do regular OBS. What kind of things you have to do, and you have to jump through a couple more loops to get all this set up. So we are going to go to a video capture device, because we are going to use my Elgato, add source, and then you see nothing, right? See, it's on webcam. We'll just set it straight up to the Elgato. And then boom, just like that, all that is ready to go. And now we will add a audio device. Audio output. No, audio input. We want an audio input. So this difference between input and output. Input is what you are saying into the microphone. Output is what you want out of like your computer, the sounds that come into you. So we'll just do that. So usually I would use my Yeti. Shout out to Blue Yetis and Blue Snowballs. Best microphones. No, they are very easy and cheap actually for a microphone, and the USB, so they're very easy to use. But I'm not going to do that because I am having my audio on something else, so we just won't worry about that. Okay, now how do you actually stream? Well, good thing you ask. So, this is what you definitely need, okay, whether it's to YouTube, Twitch, Mixer's not a thing anymore, so you're not going to be doing that. Facebook, even. There will be a stream key. So you'll just put in a service, such as Twitch, Restream, if you want to stream to multiple things. If you have the internet, you can stream to Restream and whatnot. And this stream key, so once you go to your account, go to settings. And then once you're in your settings, go to channels and videos. And then boom, primary stream key. You will copy this. And then once you have that copied, you will bring it over here. Make sure nobody sees it, because if somebody sees it, then they can stream to your account. But you can reset it very easily. But that is a big issue. You don't want people streaming on your stuff. That can be very, very bad. And then you could just paste it right into there. You could change the server. Sometimes the auto doesn't really work. And you have to set it to the closest one. Then you can start streaming, then start talking to all the beautiful people, entertaining. I hope y'all do well. Man, let's just try to get this video to 10 likes. If this video can hit 10 likes, I will do a tips to how to improve your stream. So look forward to that, unless it doesn't get 10 likes. Then crap. Y'all have a good day. My name has been Aaron. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, everybody.